Jamaica is amazing. It's even better at Christmas. Imagine sunshine, beaches and reggae music. Now add Christmas lights and delicious food. That's Christmas in Jamaica, mon. It's full of joy, laughter and family fun. Everyone gets into the Christmas spirit. You can hear Christmas carols everywhere you go. People decorate their homes and streets with colourful lights. The air is filled with excitement and anticipation. You gotta love it. Christmas in Jamaica is all about family. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Kids love the Christmas treats and presents. Parents love the chance to relax and spend time together. Families go to church on Christmas Eve. Many attend midnight mass. It's a beautiful and spiritual experience. After church, families enjoy a traditional Jamaican Christmas dinner. There's so much delicious food. One of the best things about Christmas in Jamaica is Grand Market. It's a huge street market. It happens in every town and city on Christmas Eve. You can find anything at Grand Market. People shop for last-minute gifts. They buy new clothes and shoes. Kids get excited about the toys and treats. Grand Market is a vibrant and exciting part of Jamaican Christmas. It's a must-see. December is the perfect time to visit Jamaica. The weather is beautiful. It's not too hot. There's a cool breeze in the air. We call it the Christmas breeze. You can relax on the beach. You can swim in the ocean, or you can explore the island. Christmas in Jamaica is truly special. It's a time for joy, family, and unforgettable memories. Come experience the magic.